Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, you crazy.
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Thanking God to wake me up in my right mind this morning. Guys, this weather is so bipolar. It's cold. Yesterday it was like 75 degrees and today it feels like about 30. No jokes. And you see me out here, don't have on no jacket. So anyways, I have a busy weekend ahead of me. I have to do some real organizing and deep cleaning. So guys, I just wanted to tap in with you this morning and say good morning and tell you guys how much I love and appreciate you all. So anyways, I'm gonna go inside in the kitchen and I'm gonna start. I go to work in like 1 hour, so I'm not gonna waste that hour. I'm just gonna see what I can do. So love you guys. Hope you have a blessed day, a blessed weekend, and stay safe. So I'm gonna start just clearing out the pantry, showing out what is expired.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we.
These are my chickpeas that I started to use. I'm gonna clean the refrigerator too, guys, but that's gonna happen later on in the evening. I will be going through the pantry, guys, and making sure nothing is expired, and also at the same time I'll be making a list to see what I have, and when I go to the grocery store I will not double buy stuff, because this is my issue here, guys. I buy all this stuff and then I only cook once or twice a week, so stuff gets expired. So I'm gonna make sure to do that today.
When we one-on-one, looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get on.
Guys, these are lentils. I don't know if they're still good.
Crème brulee, what they gon' say? With the top down.
So guys, I've washed some of these containers out. I have basically almost emptied the pantry. I'm not done yet. I have a few more to go. There are the stuff over there. Guys, I have to stop now. I have to continue later because it's 8:20 and my job starts at 8:30. So I'm gonna leave everything until later. So see you later, guys.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black.
So guys, the pantry is done. I have my containers here. So guys, the containers, they do tend to make everything look more organized.
If we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's.
Guys, these are my chickpeas. They are not expired. I went through everything, and the ones that is already expired, I took them out.
Paint with the windows all black, seats crème brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out.
Guys, I got these at Burlington. They were only $4.99. These are stackable.
I ain't giving an apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, can't.
So guys, I'm gonna put cornmeal in one of these and sugar in one.
Oh, so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
They come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. Give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50.
I have to stop for a little bit. I have to go pick up Kaylee, and I also need grocery. But I didn't want to go get anything. I wanted to see everything that was expired first before I did so. Because, guys, this is why I don't buy a lot of grocery. Because let me show you what's on the floor. Everything here is all expired. This is why I don't like to buy a lot of stuff for this same reason. So I'm gonna stop, go pick up Kaylee. We need more groceries. So we'll pick up back again when I get the grocery. But this is what I did so far. I think it's coming along nicely.
Hey, up all night, when we gon' slide. Up all night, when we gon' slide.
Down here I have the milk in this one, the honey, ketchup. I think I'm gonna get probably 2 more containers, 2 more. I don't know yet. I'll show you when I'm done, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm on my way to pick up Kaylee. Wait. These people like to just park in the foot of your driveway. I'm on my way to get Kaylee. She's done with trucks, and I want some more containers for the stuff that I want to organize in the pantry. So that's where I'm headed right now. Guys, look at the sun, and it's almost 6 o'clock. That's how you know, guys, that summer is just around the corner.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way.
Okay, guys, me and KK going in Target. Guys, look at these Easter goodies.
They gon' say, with the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got five. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy,
I need a tiny little organizer. Yeah, I want this.
gon' slide. Hey, up all night, and we gon' slide. Up all night, and we gon' slide.
I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby.
Like you see, it says it only came in here for containers. And look at you.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, self-checkout.
Wait, me I look for the green flowers and I used to put on by themselves like that. Not in a nothing. You know me I talk?
Do we have
Like this stem them. Yeah, they sell them. Let me look on the other side there. Just look.
We do not need that. If you can
Are there
give me,
flowers them there?
if you don't want to give me a
Okay, mother. Oh. How much is this, Kaylin? We got the cashier. Oh, I see him think this.
and when we gon' slide.
Come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout.
That's a blanket.
You miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe.
Deep pain with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6.
30%.
Live, tell me when to go, baby. When we gon' slide, baby. When we gon' slide. Up all night, baby. When we gon' slide. Up all night, baby. When we gon' slide.
Okay guys, I'm getting out of Target.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the back.
Guys, my little girl is packing in everything in the trunk. That's why I can't do without her. We have one more stop and then we're going home to finish the pantry. Yeah. Guys, I'm done in Target and Kaylee went to order pizza over there. And I'm just waiting in the car till she's done. I'm tired, guys. Thank God it's Friday. And I don't have to get up to go to work tomorrow. So that's a plus for me. Okay, guys. So I went out to Target and I got 2 more containers for the pantry. Got 2 of the same thing. This I had before. This I'm gonna put my mint. I love mint tea, guys. And I got 2 more containers for the cereals.
The windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby. When we gon' slide, baby. When we gon' slide.
Gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the.
And guys, you can open them from here. My hand is not too good, so, but you don't have to open the whole can to pour the cereal. And these are from Target and they were very inexpensive. They were only $14.99. I think it's easier to just pour your cereals from the container versus going in the box. It stays fresh in these containers, guys. Guys, I couldn't tell when last I ate a bowl of cereal. That was when I was younger. I don't eat cereal maybe for about 2 years or so.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
I think I buy 1 too many. I'm just gonna stick this in the refrigerator because it cannot fit in the pantry. I'm gonna show you what I have so far in the pantry, guys.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6.
Guys, do y'all keep one of these in your refrigerator? to know the temperature.
Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
Guys, I like to clean the refrigerator prior to me getting grocery, and tomorrow is Saturday, and we'll be getting some stuff to restock the refrigerator, but I'm just cleaning it out tonight just to see what we need.
Care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way.
So guys, the refrigerator is nice and clean and organized. So tomorrow, I just know what I need to purchase.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black.
In the dark.